Today we're making fresh mint tea. Come on in, welcome to my home. It's really hot. I'm not going to lie to you, it's really hot. You know what would be really great? A glass of tea, a glass of sweet mint tea, and that's what we're going to do today. But we are going to be using fresh mint leaves that I have growing out in front of my porch right now, and I will tell you a few things about that mint. One of the things is, if you grow mint, mint grows everywhere. It'll take over everything. It is like lemon balm, which I also have growing out there. It goes everywhere. So if you grow mint, grow it in either a container or grow it into a confined space because it spreads by runners and it will go everywhere. But it is so easy to grow and so quick to grow. I'm going to go out and pick some fresh mint leaves. We'll bring them back in, wash them, and then we'll start the process of making the tea. It's so simple. It is so simple. Alright, our mint leaves have been picked. I went through and made sure that I took out all the leaves which were damaged. Then I washed them or rinsed them off really, really well under cold water. You want to make sure it's cold water so that way you're not already cooking the mint leaves. Then we have our water, and I'm going to add sugar. Now this is raw sugar. You can use whatever kind of sugar you like. Then I'm going to take this over to the stove and bring this up to almost a boil. Once it's almost boiling, we'll then add our mint leaves, take it off the heat, and let it simmer for about 20 minutes. You can go a little longer if you like stronger tea, but we'll come back after 20 minutes. Alright, after 20 minutes, we are going to remove the mint leaves. Now you can go much longer, and I will show you the difference between a 20-minute and a 30-minute. It's just the strength of it. And don't worry if you don't get out every single leaf. I have something for that. Now, I have canning jars. If you do not have canning jars, you'll want to let this cool way more till it's just about room temperature. My canning jar has a filter in it. And I'm just going to take this and pour it in. If you want a stronger tea, go for the full 30 minutes. And the filter, or the strainer, will catch the extra mint leaves. 20-minute tea, 30-minute tea. This has been in my refrigerator because we drink this all the time, because as you can tell, I have lots of mint leaves. Alright, let's give this a taste. That is good. It is a sweet tea. It is so much fun to make. So easy to make because it is just fresh mint leaves. Mint leaves that I had growing in my garden. And how many you get, that's up to you. How many do you have? Like I said, mint, it will go everywhere, so be prepared for that if you grow mint. You can buy mint in the store. It was just so easy to make and so good. All you have to do is then now let it cool. Like I said, this will cool. If you want a stronger tea, let the mint leaves sit in there for a longer time. I like a stronger tea. My mom and my nephew like a weaker tea, so 20, 30 minutes. It is up to you. Well, if you make this, let me know. You can get a hold of me on most social media at CM Coleman Home, and I hope I get to see you again next time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. I love making these videos for you, and I hope I get to see you again next time.